Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make sweet lollipops at home. First, gather your essential ingredients: 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of light corn syrup, and 1/4 cup of water. You'll also need your favorite flavor extracts and a few drops of food coloring. Don't forget lollipop sticks and a reliable candy thermometer for precise results. Finally, prepare a silicone mat or parchment-lined baking sheet. Now let's cook the candy base. In a heavy-bottomed saucepan, combine your 2 cups of sugar, 1/2 cup of corn syrup, and 1/4 cup of water. Stir this mixture over medium heat until all the sugar has completely dissolved. Once it starts boiling, insert your candy thermometer and resist the urge to stir. Continue cooking until the mixture reaches exactly 300 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the hard crack stage. Once your syrup reaches 300 degrees Fahrenheit, remove it from the heat immediately. This is the crucial moment to add your flavor extract and a few drops of food coloring. Stir them in quickly but gently to avoid introducing air bubbles. Then, carefully pour small, even circles of the hot candy onto your prepared silicone mat, placing a lollipop stick into each one. Remember, the candy cools and hardens very fast, so work efficiently. After pouring, let your homemade lollipops cool completely on the mat for at least 20 minutes. They need to be fully hardened before handling. Once firm, gently peel each lollipop off the silicone mat or parchment paper. To keep them fresh and prevent sticking, wrap each individual lollipop in cellophane. Store your delicious creations in an airtight container at room temperature, ready to enjoy whenever you crave a sweet treat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.